Good morning, 2WR. Here is your last day of online learning, Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. It is day 2. Here we go. For your first seesaw activity today, we have reading. I can take notes about the setting in my chapter book or my long book that I'm reading. So remember that you're using your stop and jots, you're taking those notes, and we're going to be talking about the setting. Where does the story take place? How would you describe it? How do you know it takes place there? What's happening around the characters in that story? Okay, watch the BrainPod video there that will also describe what the setting means, and then you complete the seesaw activity down there at the bottom. Here we have a science video. If you see, it is about 17 minutes, almost 18 minutes there. It's quite a long video. Take your time watching it. You might not have to watch the whole thing all in one, but you might break it up. Remember, you might not finish this activity until later in the week because we do not have any activities on Wednesday and Thursday. So this is also something that you might want to continue with later in the week. Okay, this is the end of this chapter 2. And so you're writing a final design argument for using heated or unheated ingredients in your glue mixture, okay? In the next chapter, in chapter 3, then we're going to start testing the strength of your glue and how strong your glue is, okay? And that's when we start using the weights, but it looks like we'll be doing that back at school anyway. So you have your design argument. How are you going to set up your thinking to explain? There is also a chart there. If you put in all of your sticky test results of the different ingredients, there's a really nice chart from all the second graders that you can see for you. And here are the seesaw activities. So yes, getting ready to write. What were your observations? What were your tests? Using your best sticky ingredients. So this is your evidence. This is how you explain what you know is going to be the best sticky ingredient to use in your glue, okay? And then writing your design argument. Here with the blue, you're going to take a picture when you write out your design argument on paper, and you can add it there, okay? And then finally for seesaw, for science, you're just going to do a yes or no check about your understanding of what we learned so far in science with chapter 2, like I said before we start chapter 3, okay? With math, and I'll go over this more in our morning meeting today, but it is a rich task and you will persevere to solve rich task problems. And I don't know if you just saw that monkey. It's kind of scared me there. Okay, well, here we go. So yes, you're going to look at this dessert shop, right? And pretend you're going to a shop and you have 100 ringgit to spend. You're going to buy 4 things, okay? So we'll talk about this more in our meeting. Yes, okay. And then you have a game there to play. This game is called Chicken. It's very similar to what's called Greedy Pig. Remember if you played that game in class with us, more at the beginning of the year, but it's the same idea, okay, as Greedy Pig. It's just named Chicken, okay? And here is our schedule for today. So we have Wednesday. We have world language, right, very soon at 8 a.m. And you have your morning meeting. We have our virtual playground, and you have music with Miss Annette. Today, for our one-on-one meetings, we're meeting with Charlotte right away, staying in our morning meeting. Holly is at 10 o'clock. Hannah is at 10:20. Simon is at 10:40. Vivan is at 11 o'clock, and Najla is at 11:20. Okay, I will try to send you a reminder on Seesaw as well. All right, friends, that's it. So I will see you at 9 a.m. Bye-bye.